Hello guys, today we are going to create an API for polling API. Started our server, so first we have to going for home page. For home page I have get request, so it is for home page. In MongoDB there is no any data here, so first of all we create a question. Question created successfully. So here question was created. Now if you want to delete that question, I have to get an ID and delete that, given that relevant ID, and go for that delete route. So it is deleted. So it is deleted. Now again I have to create question 1. So it is created. Question 1 was created. Then I have to add an option, create an option. So I have to give a question ID. I am giving question ID, text and votes will be 100. So option created successfully. Okay, updated. Option was created. We have to make more option. Option 3. Option 4. So basically we created option. We have seen question create, question delete, question options create, and we have now seen options ID delete. So okay, for option 3 I have to take this ID. Okay, I have to delete an option. Yes, option was deleted. So it is from object option 3, so it should be deleted. Okay, there is no option 3. We have to add the vote by ID. So we are going for, okay, first we have to find question. Find question by this. So I find that question and I am going to vote for option 2, which have 100 value. Now we are seeing that okay, there is 100 value. It has to be 101 value. 101. There is 101. If I again go for add vote, again it added vote data. So 102. Still we can also add vote here. by. And we also seen that question this was updated, and now dive into the code. In index.js, I use port 8000. Express URL encoded extended was true, and I am using body parser JSON. In index, first of all, we require the controller get the home page on / then for create I have to post request. In controller I just requested the body and create that title from question.create. I use this because I am only working on just option schema, so I just created a title by create question. Then for delete route, whenever request.params.id was there, it find by that id and it find by id, and if there is no question was found, then it returns a question not found, else it was deleted, and the response was question deleted successfully. For routes, I have also created that option questions id options and create. So for this id we are going for controller. For this id we have id in request.params, so we fetch that id. We added request.body.text from URL encoded as we are seeing. We find that question and we added that option text and votes. The first time we have require the votes, and then we can add it by one. So for questions options were pushed this option. This is the question model which were fetched in options tag. This is the option, and we pushed all the schema in that option. Okay, right? And we have saved that entry. Then we also find that text which we are looking, and then we added the vote which we have id. We directly cannot add the id. After the save we have an id, then we are going to re-added that link to vote part, so we can vote them by this id. We are going for options delete. So in controller fetch the option by id, and it is find one and update. It is fetch that option and pull that options from there, so it was deleted, else it returns us options was not found. And if it is working, then it returns us a delete option. To add votes we have go for that route, and for controller add vote. Find that options id by this id, and if there is no question, it returns question was not found. And if it was there, then we will update that question by option id. If votes was undefined, then it takes request.body.votes, else it returns +1, and then we have to save that question node. It returns response.status, and we have a message votes added successfully. Router for get question by id. For get that question we have we are aware of this method, we also add that id in request.params, and find by id we fetch that question and returns in response.json. Okay, thank you.